Hi, my name is Tom. I'm an educator here at Old North Church, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Captain Arthur Savage. Here at the congregation, he owned pews 38 and 23, and he donated a silver christening basin that is still used by the church today. Why he is famous is he's the first believed owner of an exotic animal here in the colonies. Like many of the early pew owners here at Old North, he was a sea captain and a merchant. In 1713, he captained the vessel Provincial Galley, which he took to London in 1714 to sell his cargo of fish, and this is where we believe he picked up the exotic animal, which happened to be an African lion. So when he returns to Boston here in 1716, he actually starts advertising the lion in his Brattle Street basement. He puts a sign out front that says, "Lion, King of Beasts, is to be seen here," and with the help of his slave Sharper, who controls the gate and ticketings in and out, he kind of shows this lion off to the people here in the city. It's even so popularized that it's put in newspapers that people should come and see, and even a guy by the name of Waite Winthrop, the head of the court here in Massachusetts, buys some of the lion's fur and puts it under his sickly grandchild as a way to strengthen and cure his ailments. So that's a little bit about Captain Arthur Savage and his first African lion he kept here in the North End.